How to get through Final Fantasy IV. If you want to know how to get through Final Fantasy IV, this article provides a comprehensive walk-through of Part 1 covering getting to the Village of Mist. This is written primarily for the DS version. Get started at Step 1 below. Steps. 1. Remember that you are Cecil, captain of the Red Wings, on your ship flying back to Baron. Cecil with memories of what he did back in Mysidia. He had killed people. 2. On the way back you will be engaged in battle. Attack, and you will win in about 5 turns. Now just watch the scene. Then you will be in Baron, the royal city. 3. Bygone will greet you and see you to the king. Cecil is an orphan, but the king took him in. Watch and you will relinquish the crystal. Now you will walk out then back in. You are now relinquished of your captain status and must go to Mist and deliver the bomb ring. 4. Head to your quarters. To get there, you need to find the main room and exit to the left. Head on and you will meet Rosa. Now of course Cecil already knows her, but you just met her. They love each other. Exit where you saw Rosa from the south and head up. Along the way you will meet Cid. Cecil does know him. Now after that quick talk head to the tower. 5. You will meet Naming Way. He will want you to rename. Choose, though it won't work. He will say something and leave. Head on up, talk and sleep. A scene will occur. Now you will head out. Your journey begins here with Kain, Cecil's best friend. Now look around for a cave. Also train some, you will need it. 6. Once you find the cave, go on in. Head through. If you complete this map, then you will get some potions. There are some treasures, so collect them throughout. Once you get to the exit, you will have to fight the Mist Dragon. Use darkness to make it a lot easier. Afterward exit on through. 7. You will release the bomb ring and sadly, destroy all of Mist. During the scene, you will fight a little girl who defeats you. 8. After that battle with the little girl, you will see a thingy separating you from Mist. Sad what you did, but don't worry, Mist will be rebuilt. 9. You should head to Kaipo now, it is easy to find. Just head to the middle of the desert you're near. Once there, you will automatically head to the inn. 10. While you are resting, some Baron Knights will come in and try to kill the little girl. The battle is easy. Just take the general dude out then the others. 11. With that out of the way. The girl will get up, say something about that being her fault, then she will join. Her name is Rydia. 12. When Cecil gets up, head to the house on the top right corner. Go in and you will see Rosa. She had collapsed of desert fever. You will obtain the auto potion, DS version only, augment. Now if you want to, head to Fat Chocobo on the west side of Kaipo. DS version only, that is the end of part 2. Tips. Always save whenever you can.